Alright everyone, my name is Bob and right now we are in the forest and I'm going to collect some material for setting up a new vivarium. So one of the greatest material is moss. I'm probably going to catch some insect as well as some other millipedes. Right now I have a very big millipede. So yeah, that kind of give you the size of those beasts. Absolutely not dangerous, but freaking huge. I saw him and spot him from very far across. Now, for all of you who think that fish keeping is my main hobby, you're sadly mistaken, because actually fish keeping is my second hobby. Insect catching is by far my favorite hobby during the summer. And that's great because my, since I'm setting up the 44-gallon aquarium and the 26-gallon aquarium, I don't want all the fun of setting new stuff to end too quickly. So by being in the summer, I can set those up, but also set so many things outside that I'm going to have plenty of time to occupy myself with a lot of stuff. So when winter will come again, then I'm going to be able to fully enjoy both aquariums. So yeah, let's pick up some moss, and in a future video I'm going to explain a little bit how to set up a proper vivarium. So I like that species of moss. Never really seen him that, or at least never really used it. I don't want to use all the part of the moss, so you see I'm leaving a lot of that patch. Only use the necessary, never abuse of nature. Now, contrarily to when you set up an aquarium, I actually want some hitchhikers because they're going to create quite a nice and lovely ecosystem. So I want a lot of moss, I want some driftwood, I want some leaves, I potentially want some moist wood, such as right here. So let me just kick that out. Well, okay, that was weak. Okay, that was more strong than I anticipate. Oh, alright. Oh, that's a ant colony. I think that's going to be interesting. I'm just picking up some random stuff. I'm not sure if I picked up the queen or not. Not necessarily going to try to get some ants and destroy like ant colony by purpose. I'm going to get some fern, because fern did grow well in the other vivarium of last year. So I'm just trying to get as much of the root as possible so I can plant it and not kill it. So putting that in the little bucket. Oh, we have a nice ant right there. Not sure if you have seen it, but so I'm just picking up some random stuff. Let's pick up some leaves, just random dead leaves and bark, I guess. Like that can always be useful. Some random leaves. And yeah, I guess I can manage with that stuff. I guess I can try to pick up some branch or things like that. But I really don't want to take too much from nature. Like you see, there is a lot of plants and moss and shroom, but I don't want to. I want to be responsible, and that's what you want to do as well. If you're setting up a vivarium, you don't want to like totally rip apart an ecosystem just to recreate it. Sorry, there was like a fly that just flew in my ears. There's like so much mosquitoes as well. Oh yeah, I'm getting harassed right now. Please save me. Oh, there is a mosquito in my neck. Alright, kill that bastard. Let's flip that log. See if there is any interesting creepy crawler underneath. No, I guess not. Okay. Let's flip this one then. Oops. Sometimes you can find some salamanders if you're close enough to water. I guess right here there's like so many stuff that they don't come across. So, alright, so I just flipped up this thing. Oh, what's going on? Whoop. What's going on underneath this? What the hell is that? I guess it's just like shroom and stuff. Alright, there is too much mosquitoes. Let me just replace that. And I'm going to go walk in another part of the forest. So I'm not going to be totally eaten alive. I think there's like a squirrel or something around here. Not sure. Alright, well, I didn't see the squirrel, but don't worry, we're going to see plenty of them. We're heading near the lake at this point. I just want to show you all the lake if you haven't seen it yet. So this is officially like the start of Nature at its Best Season 2. Yeah, right now we're close to the main road. Like I live really close to the forest, so I have like a 2-minute walk to go to the forest. So like I have unlimited access to every plant and moss and fish and insect and like freaking frogs, salamander, newts, snakes even that I want. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Alright, fish farm. I know you would be interested by this. It's not the stream where I usually go catch the minnows. I actually never explored this stream, but there is some minnows in the shallows. I'm going to, sorry, there is like a lot of mosquitoes. I'm going to potentially get some minnows today or tomorrow. I will have to see, but you know, just know that this stream come all across this street and goes like freaking down there, and that's the direction where I usually go get the minnows. But the lake is right here, and so all the minnows I catch comes well, potentially from the lake, and you know, just explore this stream and whatever, they all direct themselves to the stream. So if you ever wonder if I ever catch things in that stream, the answer is no, but this stream is connected to the one I go collect stuff, so yeah. Alright, so at this point we're at the lake. Last year I catch the 4 little turtles like around here. I've seen like a big turtle like only a few days ago, and it was a snapping turtle. I believe the snapping turtle I caught on camera last year, and I think she was going to lay some eggs. So this is the lake. There is a lot of algae and vegetation. There is a lot of minnows in here. There is frogs, dragonfly. As you can see, there is a beaver. Usually around there is like a blue heron and other like cool little creepy crawlers. That's Mr. Tree out there, like out there, and sometimes I see some snake here and there. Not sure if we are going to see any today. Probably. Let's see. Alright, so that's, I think, yeah, that's Mr. Tree right here. So many of you were freaking out last year because I was punching it. Oh, we have like a cool sight of an ant moving a piece of beetle, I guess. I want to see if there is some bats in that little like bat cage stuff. Well, not bat cage, but it's like a thing to help bats, I guess, reproduce and stuff. But there is never anything. Each time I come and check, there's never any bats. What's that floating on the water? That's gross. So yeah, that's the lake, and that was our little walk in the forest. Now, in the next video, I'm going to show you how I'm going to actually set up the vivarium. So with all the stuff I got today, so I only got, in terms of stocking, 2 millipedes, potentially some ants, and probably some hitchhikers. So small insect that will help. I'm going to do like the second video telling how I'm setting the vivarium, and then a third video kind of stocking that vivarium. I strongly encourage everyone to do this, so you know, explore nature and just try to keep some insect and small animals. Always make sure to release them once you're over with. The millipede, I'm going to be able to keep them for most of the summer, to be honest, and then I'm going to release them so they have a chance to reproduce, I guess, and like hibernate, because I do believe they hibernate. Yeah, that's it.